Yes, guys, what's up? Why free now? Yeah, man. Get you free and watch what I go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Yeah, man. Flex Jamaican cuisine. Don't know everything, go. Yeah, man. So today, guys, I'm cooking some curry chicken neck. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. That is it. Don't know me as a youth. Me grew up in the country. You see me? Raised by grandparents and things. So you don't know. We have the real country flavor, real country style. So may I say, yeah man, mix it in with everything. So anyway, guys, get down to business. Yeah man, so here, guys, I have my chicken neck seasoned down properly, marinate. So I'm gonna get down to business now, all right? Yeah man, that is it. So I'm just gonna add some, I already have the powder seasoning, guys, like my chicken, Maggi chicken seasoning. You know, may I say some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. Yeah man, that is it. You know, may I say well marinate down properly with some black pepper, because you know the number one seasoning, guys, for bird meat and chicken is bird meat. So may I say, so you don't know, number one seasoning, guys, check this. Number one seasoning for bird meat is black pepper and salt. So may I say pepper and salt is the number one seasoning for bird meat. All right, so check it. Yeah man, so as I said, this is seasoned down properly and marinate, so I'm just gonna add my garden seasoning to it. You know what I say? Yeah man, that is it. So stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on. And don't forget, guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue to like, share, subscribe and comment to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. That is it. Yeah man, so here I have my garden seasoning, guys. Yeah man, so you don't know it's curry, so we have add some carrot. Yeah man, I love to cook my curry with carrot and Irish potatoes. All right, yeah man, so cutting up my carrots. Have some pepper, some more pepper. And these peppers, guys, they're not so hot, you know what I say? So I'm gonna add some hot pepper as well. Of my scallion. Some hot pepper. Yeah man, love when my food is spicy, guys, especially these types of food. Yeah man, make it spicy. This is it. Add some onion. Okay guys, so the pot is already on the stove heating, so I'm gonna add my oil. Okay guys, so the oil is hot. So first, you don't know, we're cooking curry, guys. All right, so this is my way of cooking curry. All right, this is how my grandma teach me to cook curry. And may I say, not to season the meat with the curry. All right, so here I have my thyme. Yeah, as I always tell you guys, I like to add my thyme to the oil first, and then I add my garlic. All right, yeah man. All right, and I'm gonna allow my garlic to start change color, turning brown. All right. Yeah man, that is it, man. All right, so now here some original curry. As you can see, the Jamaican flag, this is the real curry, better pot curry. Yeah man, that is it. All right, here I'm gonna add my curry to the oil. Yeah man, as grandma said, make sure you burn the curry in the oil with your garlic. All right. give you a sneak preview, guys, of what the curry look like when I said I burned the curry in the oil. Yeah, man, as you can see, the garlics are toasted golden brown. Okay, guys, yeah, man, so make sure I make the meat bunja down properly, guys. And I'm not gonna add any water to it. It smells really good, guys. Yeah, man. So you don't have to put once you know how to apply your curry, you don't have to put the curry on the meat, guys, because trust me, if you don't cook the curry right, you know what will happen. You see me, I say, yeah, man, it's sending you straight to the bathroom, straight to the toilet. Yeah, man, so this is the way I was taught to cook curry. Yeah, man. Don't season the meat with the curry. Yeah, man. You burn the curry in the oil. And once you know your portion, it will give it the right curry look and the right color, flavor. Alright? Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Catch it free, guys, and watch what I go on. Yeah, man. So I'm not gonna apply any water as yet, guys. I'm gonna let it bunja down properly before I add some water to let the meat cook properly. Alright? Yeah, man. So let it just bunja down while I prepare my white rice. The best thing to go with some real authentic curry, guys, is some white rice. Alright? Yeah, man, that is it. Stay tuned, guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. Remember, curry chicken neck and white rice. That's the on the menu today. Alright? Yeah, man, that is it. Okay, guys, so here I have my rice. So remember, guys, when you're washing your rice, make sure you wash your rice properly. 3 to 4 rinse. Alright? Yeah, man, so yeah, man, it's jasmine rice, guys. Nice jasmine rice, so you don't know, it's literally good quality, you know what I say? Yeah, man, not so dirty as some regular rice. Alright? Okay, guys, so when you wash your rice, the amount of water is 1.5 inches water with the right flame. Alright? Not no high flame, medium, low. Alright? Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. As you can see, guys, yeah, man, meat bunja down properly. So now I'm gonna apply my water. Give it a little stir. Alright, and then cover it and let it cook. Alright, so there I have my rice going, guys. Yeah, man, that is it. Stay tuned, guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. Don't forget to keep supporting my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. Alright? Yeah, man. Respect, one love. Go, guys. So I'm gonna add a quarter stick of butter to my rice. Then I'm gonna add some salt. cover it and allow it to steam. All right, so yeah man. All right guys, so once the curry is halfway cooked, I'm gonna add some Irish potato. All right, yeah man. So the Irish potato, what it does guys, it thicken the gravy. All right, yeah man. So instead of using some cornstarch, I don't cook with cornstarch, period. No cornstarch. I never ever cook with cornstarch. All right, yeah man. So there are other ways and means to thicken your gravy guys, other from using cornstarch. All right, so what I do guys, I dice my Irish potato, yeah, and what I did, I make sure I dice some of it like real fine so it melt in the pot and it will thicken the gravy or thicken the sauce, the curry. All right, yeah man. So as I said, once the meat is halfway cooked, I'm gonna add my potatoes. All right. Yes guys, I'm gonna check on the pot, see what's going on. It's really good guys, trust me. It's off the chain. Watch out now man, just look what I got. That is it. Stay tuned, catch a prey and watch what I go on. See the white rice there now. That is it. Coming along guys. Yeah, 5 more minutes and it's ready to eat. I'm gonna say, come on. Give you a sneak preview guys. Let you see that it's really coming along. That is it. You can see guys, the rice is ready. Nice and shelly, you know what I say? That is it. So just stay tuned guys, catch a prey and watch what I go on. Can't wait to eat this curry chicken neck. It's been a while guys. From left Jamaica, I don't eat no curry chicken neck. You see what I say? Yeah man. And it's something that I really love. Don't know. That is it. Go and sip my Guinness until it's ready, you know. It's a beautiful day guys. Giving thanks and praise to the Most High as usual. Don't know. Yeah man, it's nice and sunny outside, but it is still cold. You know what I say? Yeah man. So it's a good look. The sun is coming back out. Yeah man, yesterday it was snowing. Yeah man, so it's a good feeling knowing that the sun is shining again, you know what I say? Yeah man, for real man, give thanks to the Most High. Yeah man, enough respect guys. I really appreciate you all. Yeah man, just keep supporting my YouTube channel guys, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, comment to the channel. Alright? Yeah man, subscribe to the channel, comment to the channel, like and share. Tell a friend to check out Flex Jamaican Cuisine, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. One love and much respect. Really appreciate you all. That is it. Okay guys. Yeah, I'm tell you say it ready guys, it ready. Yeah man. The sauce gravy thick and nice guys. Yeah man. My time now. Yeah man. I was doing all of that for you guys, but it's my time now to eat. You know what I say? Yeah man, the stove can turn off now. That is it man. So I'm gonna dish myself a plate guys, and I'm gonna eat. Yeah man. Take another sip, you know me? Yeah man, that me I say man. That is it guys. Thank you all guys for watching my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Really appreciate you guys. One love me I say, much respect. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what go on. I'm on rice nice and shelly guys. That is it, you know.